Here's a summary of the key laws and regulations in South Korea that expats should be aware of. 1. Visa and residency. Visa types. Expats must apply for the appropriate visa to live and work in Korea. Common visas for expats include E2 for English teachers, F4 for ethnic Koreans or overseas Koreans, D10 for job seekers, H1 for working holiday makers, A3 for business visas. Alien registration card. ARC expats must apply for an ARC within 90 days of arrival. It's essential for identification, opening bank accounts, and getting health insurance. 2. Work and employment. Work permits. Expats must have a valid work visa for employment. For most jobs, a working permit is required. Employment contracts in Korea. Employment contracts, written or verbal, should clearly outline job duties, salary, working hours, and other key terms. Minimum wage. As of 2024, the minimum wage is approximately 10,000 per hour. Ensure your wage complies with local laws. Working hours. The legal workweek is typically 40 hours 5 days. Overtime is common but should be compensated according to the law. 3. Taxes. Income tax. Expats are subject to Korean income tax. Income is taxed at progressive rates ranging from 6% to 45%. Taxes are withheld from salaries, but self-employed expats must file annually. Double taxation agreement. South Korea has agreements with many countries. To prevent double taxation, check if your home country has such an agreement with Korea. Social insurance. Expats must participate in the national pension, health insurance, and employment insurance, which are automatically deducted from wages. 4. Health insurance. National health insurance. NHIS. Expats who work in Korea and earn a salary are required to enroll in NHIS, which provides affordable medical care. Contributions are deducted from your salary. Private health insurance. Expats can also purchase additional private insurance if needed. 5. Housing and rent. Lease agreements. Housing agreements in Korea are typically either jaeons, lump sum deposit, or wholesale monthly rent. Jaeons requires a large deposit, while wholesale operates more like regular rent. Security deposit. For both types of leases, landlords often ask for a security deposit, typically 1 to 2 months' rent. Tenant rights. Renters should be aware of their rights under the Korean Civil Act, such as the right to sublet with permission in the legal process for evictions. 6. Driving and traffic laws. International driving permit. IDP. Expats who want to drive in Korea must have an IDP, along with their foreign driver's license. After 1 year of residency, you must convert your foreign license to a Korean one. Traffic violations. Korea has strict traffic laws. Always carry your license and registration, and avoid drinking and driving. Legal BAC limit 0.03%. Parking in Seoul and major cities is often limited and expensive. Always check for parking restrictions to avoid fines. 7. Legal rights and responsibilities. Discrimination. Discrimination based on gender, race, and nationality is illegal in South Korea, though it can still occur in practice. Criminal law. South Korea has strict laws around drugs, public intoxication, and even online activities. Drug offenses can carry severe penalties, including prison time. Alcohol consumption. The legal drinking age is 19. International age. Public drinking is generally allowed, but drunken behavior or public disturbances can lead to fines or arrest. 8. Cultural etiquette and social norms. Respect for elders. Hierarchy and respect for elders are deeply ingrained in Korean society. Use formal language and gestures with seniors. Tipping is not customary in Korea and can sometimes be considered rude. Service charges are usually included in restaurant bills. Personal privacy. Public displays of affection are becoming more common, but still less frequent than in Western cultures. Keep conversations about personal matters more private. 9. Consumer protection. Refunds and returns. Under the Consumer Protection Act, you have the right to return goods within 7 days of purchase if there is a defect or if the item was misrepresented. Product warranties. Many products come with warranties. Always keep receipts and be aware of the terms for returns or repairs. 10. Internet and social media laws. Cyber defamation. South Korea has strict laws regarding online defamation. Posting false information or malicious comments about individuals can result in legal action, including fines and imprisonment. Censorship. Content considered inappropriate, e.g., certain foreign websites can be blocked or restricted by the government. VPN usage. While VPNs are legal, the use of a VPN to access blocked content may be scrutinized in some cases. 11. Family and education. Education. Expats' children can attend international schools or public schools. Public schools generally require a Korean ARC for enrollment. Family law. South Korean family law governs matters of marriage, divorce, and child custody. Foreigners marrying a Korean citizen may have special requirements, such as marriage registration at the local district office. Adoption. International adoption is legal, but requires going through an official adoption agency. 12. Legal assistance. Lawyers. If you need legal assistance, it's advised to find a Korean-speaking lawyer or an expat-friendly legal firm. Some legal firms offer free consultations. In conclusion, expats living in South Korea should familiarize themselves with these basic laws and regulations to ensure they follow the proper procedures for work, housing, health insurance, and other legal matters. Staying informed about local customs and legal expectations can also help with smoother integration into Korean society.